Hello, Eleni's here and welcome. Thank you for being here. So it's my 5th day of the Fluid Art Paint Everyday Challenge for me, and I've learned so much already. I've learned that if you have too much paint on your canvas, it can get a little bit swampy. So that's one thing I've learned. So when you paint every day, it's amazing how much you get the feel of things a lot quicker. And also another thing that I've learned is to blow your paints out. What I'm doing is mainly Dutch pours, to blow them out enough so that they stretch out. And also not to be afraid to play with it afterwards and with a skewer, or just make some designs or outline it with either a skewer or a chain or the end of a brush. So I'm sure I'm going to learn so much more, and I'm loving painting every day. Just wanted to show you the dry results of yesterday's video, and I've just varnished it. I think I've got 3 layers of varnish on it, and it's just come out really pretty. You can see the shimmer, that blue, the pinky blue by ArtResin is just, by Abeier, is just stunning. And I'm going to do similar colours today, but I'm going to do a split base, and I'm going to do a botanical pour. So I'm excited. Let's go make some art. So my colours today are pearl cactus green, PBO copper, pearl rose quartz, and 24 karat gold. And then I'm going to sprinkle some TLP sequins, which is the pink violet shift. So this is my base. I'm going to do a split base, titanium white by Amsterdam, and like a burgundy, which is just a custom mix. Okay, and I'm going to do like a half moon, like this, and then blow them like that. So let's start with the moon like this, half moon. This paint has been there for about a year.
That pink in the bottle, what make of paint is that? That rose?
This one is ArtResin. It's so beautiful. I'm just going to spread that out. It's lovely, isn't it, this colour? Got a lot of bubbles in it because I've been shaking it. I'm just going to use my finger to dab the sides so that it covers well.
What have you mixed in this paint?
So basically what I had red in there, which I'm never going to use. I think it was like what colour was it? I can't remember. It was a red, and so I added some phthalo blue and some black to get it to this dark burgundy colour.
And what's inside? Glue?
Oh yeah, it's glue and water. Yeah, so it's my 60% glue, 40% water mix. I'm just gonna pop the bubbles.
Would you say the 60-40 makes a thin base?
So basically I have 1 part paint and then 2 parts of the glue mix, and then you just add water to get to the consistency that you like. Now with my Dutch pours, I don't like them as thin as most Dutch pours. Most Dutch pours are quite thin, even thinner than that. Yeah, even thinner than that. Like Rinske Downer, she just uses paint and water, and it's very thin. But you do end up using more paint that way if you're just using paint and water. But yeah, it's a lot thinner. Yeah. I'm just going to start with the TLP sequins. Cactus Green by ArtResin. Iridescent Copper by PBO. Isn't that pretty, that? And then I'm going to go with the 24 karat gold. I'm just going to go with a bit of white on this side. That's nice. And once I do my chain pull, it'll bring it together. What do you think?
I love the green. Can you dip green around it?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Look, it's coming through. It'll come through. Give it a little torch. It'll come through, and especially when it dries. Look, can you see? Yeah. It is nice, the green.
Look at the lacing on
I know, it's so pretty. And now there's not too much paint on here. It's just right. I do want to go through here. Let me plan this out. Another. I love it. I think that base, that base definitely has some silicone in, I think. Which makes a change because I haven't used silicone in a long, long time. What do you think? The swipes.
Very, very sweet.
I like that. I don't want to mess with that too much. Just going through here. Pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So I didn't need to outline it now because
Just when I thought you had enough, you actually made improvements to it. That looks beautiful, like a leaf on the
Yes.
other side. How cute.
that's the aim.
How cute. See,
And
I'm
it's-
scared to touch it.
It's
See,
so
I'm scared to touch it, so I usually just leave it sort of like half finished, if you know what I mean.
yeah,
compared
but that's
to-
what
You know, that's what being creative is all about. You've got to
Be brave.
be brave, and if it doesn't work, you just do it again. It's no big deal. But you know, that's what art is. You know, you don't just blow it and that's it, or pour it and that's it. You've got to get creative, and that's when you make your best painting.
It's really, really beautiful. It's so soft.
Yeah, see, and you've just got a little bit of that darkness. It gives it the shadow behind it and makes the petals stand out. Okay. And when that dries, all these colours are going to be very shimmery. You know, and you can see the green coming through. I love that lacing. I love that. I love it. I love it.
Oh wow.
So pretty. Look. Just brings up more details when you do that. Isn't that lovely?
I want to go home and just smell it.
Okay, I'll give you a close up. Oh, look at that. Look at the lacing. It's so pretty, and I'm sure that this burgundy base had some silicone in it because there's a lot of reaction going on here, which I don't mind. I haven't used silicone in a long time. This is really pretty. The colours just really go well together. Pretty combination. Okay, I will give you the dry results tomorrow in tomorrow's video, because I'm doing a video every day. I haven't got time for them to dry. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and if you want to see another video like this, tap the screen on the left.